The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Every great who has ever lived knew the secret. Edison, Newton, Mother Teresa, Beethoven, Da Vinci, or Shakespeare. All of these people knew the secret. The secret gives you anything you want, be it health, wealth, or happiness. So, what is the secret? The secret is the law of attraction. Whatever that's coming into your life right now, you're attracting it through your thoughts. Also, whatever you want in life, no matter how big or small, you can get it by the help of your thoughts. But here's the problem. Rather than thinking of what we want, we think about what we don't want, which results in more of what we don't want. The law of attraction cannot discriminate between the good and the bad, between what you want or don't want. Whatever you think about, the law of attraction gives that to you. That is the power of your thoughts. If you go to sleep late one night, you think to yourself that, oh man, it's so late, I'm definitely going to be late for work tomorrow. Guess what? You will be late for work. Same way, if you think that you're becoming fat day by day, guess what? You will become fat as a result. Why? Because you're attracting it into your life. So, if you don't want to be fat, think healthy thoughts. If you want more money, think about wealth and creating it, rather than thinking about how you don't have any money and are stuck in debt. Mother Teresa knew this and once said, I will never attend an anti-war rally. If you have a peace rally, invite me. Now you think that what you are today is a reflection of you, that is who you are, but that's not true. What you are today is a reflection of your past thoughts and actions. You can change that right now. Realize that negative thoughts do not serve you. Stop complaining and obsessing over the negative things and what all is wrong with your life. You're just going to attract more of it. You choose what you allow into your life and what you don't. You have the power to create your perfect life. You are the master of your own thoughts. There is no limit to what you can do by just harnessing the power of your thoughts. To create your ideal life, there's a 3-step process. Step number 1, ask. Figure out what you want. Make it clear. Sit yourself down for 20 minutes right now. Literally, pause this video and ask yourself, if I could have whatever I want, how would I want my ideal life to be? Remember, you can have anything you want. There are no limits here. So go deep down and ask yourself, what is it that I really want? Step number 2, believe. Believe that it's already yours. Have complete faith in it. For example, if you order anything online, you know you are going to receive it in the coming days and would just go on with your life without worrying about it. Same way, know that whatever you have asked for will come to you when you need it. Step number 3, receive. Feel like you already have it. By feeling that you already have it and by being happy about it, you're aligning yourself with the frequency of what you want. Now don't get me wrong here. This does not mean that you sit around all day and expect things to just fall into your lap. Be proactive about it. But don't get worried or anxious. By asking and believing, you have already aligned yourself with the frequency of receiving. You must have experienced times when you feel really inspired and motivated to do something. Now that is the universe telling you to act on it. So trust it and act on it, because if you don't right now, you'll lose it as soon as the doubts and the second thoughts creep in.